Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can get verified on TikTok, but do not get your hopes high because there are certain criterias that you have to fulfill in order for you to go ahead and get verified on TikTok, because TikTok doesn't just verify anyone. You'll have to go ahead and require to have certain amount of growth, certain amount of followers, or even certain other social media platforms that you are verified in. So basically, I was doing some research on this topic, and in order for you to go ahead and get verified on TikTok, you'll have to be gaining around 5,000 to 10,000 followers a day. So if you don't get 5k to 10k followers a day, then I don't think that TikTok will recognize you, or basically TikTok will not verify you, because TikTok doesn't just verify anyone without growth. If you are already verified on other social media platforms, let's just say you have a Instagram with over 50k followers, and let's just say you are verified on Instagram, then if you have the same username on your TikTok as well, then you can simply go ahead and contact TikTok and just say, I am already verified on Instagram, and basically I have the same username on TikTok as well, and I would like to get verified from my business account or stuff like that. You already know. And yeah, that is exactly how you go ahead and get verified on TikTok. You'll have to have certain amount of growth, you'll have to have a lot of followers, and there's no way getting verified if you are only at 5,000 or 10,000 followers. Focus on growing your account and focus on verifying your account maybe later in the future. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.